Let's face it, while apps and AI bots can be useful, they struggle to help us recognize when we need a shift in our money mindset. Your financial needs need a human touch. At Higher Ground Financial Services, we offer tailored consultant sessions to walk you through your financial journey. Real conversations, real strategy. Whether you're just starting out and want to build a healthy relationship with money, or you've got the financial foundation and want to sharpen your strategy. With our toolkits, you'll get 6 personalized one on one sessions designed to map out your money, your goals, and your future. Our clients have given these toolkits as gifts to their children, grandchildren, nieces, and nephews to help them become better financial stewards as their future beneficiaries. Some choose occasions like graduation or upon reaching a milestone age like 21. We invite you to reach out on our website and schedule your appointment today to learn more.